Ki khubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Orange Nissan Lumso po near Fire Brigade Shillong.
Admissions are open at BDW International School. Enroll now.
Menteri Rangba Kejela Konrad Kongkal Sangma hakakat pratrip Kuala Lengkot Arajar Apuar ulah syajit biang bandang yai beteng ke National President jong ke Seng Sain Partai National People's Party. Haka election jong ke parti berlong hakakat pratrip Kuala Lengkot Arajar Apuar ha office rekam jong ke parti Hanong Bak Shillong. Ya kini ke election la pelong nak bentak ke pos National President, ke pos National General Secretary, bat ke pos National Party Treasurer. Hak jing keran bagi partai kubur o national spokesperson jong ke NPP o Abhaya Kashyap o Badairu o returning officer o penyak yakini ke election oleh tu bo Konrad Kongkal Sangma olah syajit biang ko monoi lam bah klidu jong ke parti kat bau Thomas E Sangma olah syajit ko national general secretary klaim kunu ke jing kon persyak.
For the position of the national treasurer, for the position of the national general secretary organization and for the position of national president. We did not receive any nomination for the position of national treasurer. We received valid nomination for the position of national general secretary organization and the national president. There were only one name for each of the positions respectively for which we received valid nominations. By 16th of January, the candidates had the option to withdraw their candidature. They did not do so, and so today we were faced with one candidate on each of the two positions, that is of the President and the National General Secretary of the Organization. And it was my pleasant duty to declare them elected unopposed. The position of the Treasurer was declared as being vacant per force, and the situation now is that for the year 22 to year 25, we have conducted elections as required by our constitution, and Mr. Konrad Sangma continues to be the president, and Mr. Thomas Sangma continues to be National General Secretary organization.
Nanti likely lagi post pada event Jin National President, nanti Organizing General Secretary, but Treasurer. Melayu artikel ki nomination paper kawai namta ka post president bat kawai namta post national general secretary ka post treasurer undan betep nomination ke hadian berla akut ko por handru teri ya mene ka singi ngi song na mar undan kan kenu ka kawai pat ka ayu betep kan ka ayu betep ka yang nomination paper kita la rai ba ya Konrad ke Sangma lajit kum yang national president ba Thomas Sangma kumu Organizing General Secretary. Hoi kita ada lagi singal jong ketong. Angin persanghi kat bala. Dari mentanda dan arlai ngut kan kam sitom. Dari kando kelong komon poik ba. Komon bala de pi pen bena siwa ni pen bena hadian poik ba unsa ai ka rai ke jong. Long ba hak jing pek jong amo nomor to ngan siu keren nomor ngam pat long alis to raja sabha jit ki MLA ke ya dukung bai. Nampak jusim bentah gini ki menong gini electoral politics rangi ketangga ni ubrio bila amon ki pai-pai ni kamdai ke question ba pinjet pinong kum kini ko mau pulang all of sudden you ba Eugene three job ba Eugene udang wan layu kelong tak pai-pai kila dan ki pai-pai ki dong ik berstart iki bai ngam tip tambah alis hagini nomor ni kumerong ngas ngo ya ka jinglong ke tak beri jongi bagi demokrasi hingga ngau serong ba kamdai ke ba nisim ni kibai ya gani ngangal ai ke paper ru ba ngangal ong ba the concept of democracy is not only a Greek concept ni ki khasi penar seni ngi don lagi jong konsep jong demokrasi ba lebih sem ba ki briu jong hi kita kilatip kumobal jet ikan diri kumobal jet ke parti gini kita kata ke Islam candidate di step kam dah kata